Hello students, we'll discuss on fashion theory. But what is fashion? Fashion is something when a particular style is accepted by the majority of the public at a particular place at a particular time, then that particular style comes into a fashion. When a personal taste of an individual is referred, it is never termed as fashion. It is always called as style. But when his particular style is accepted by his peer group or the majority of the public at that particular place, then it becomes a fashion. Now we'll talk about the categories of fashion. So there are various categories of fashion, and first of all is high fashion, which is called as haute couture in French or even haute couture in English. Now what is this high fashion? There are many garments or designs which a common public or the mass public can never wear in their life. Such garments are mainly made only for the elite class people or the celebrity figures or the high class business class. So such garments are called as high fashion garments. They are mostly the designer labels which are made with intrinsic stitching details. The quality of the fabric is very good, the kind of work, the kind of print, the kind of colors, it's very high quality, and it is not at all affordable by a middle class common public. So such garments are called as high fashion. Next we come to mass fashion. Mass fashion is also called as prêt-à-porter in French, which is termed as ready to wear. Now the kind of garments what we see in the market in our daily life, like jeans, t-shirts, jackets, blazers, skirts, these are called as mass fashion. Such garments which are worn by the majority of the public at a particular place, then that becomes a mass fashion. Alright? Example of mass fashion I can say like denim. We can see people wearing denim. Everyone, like 10 out of 8 public almost wear denim. So denim is a mass fashion. Now third category is fad fashion. Now you have seen many fashion which quickly comes in the market but quickly disappears as well. So such fashions are called as fad fashion. In India, if I say, it will be typically a Bollywood fashion. When a movie comes and there is a hype of a movie in the market, then the garments of that particular actress or the actor worn in that movie comes into the market. But as soon as the craze of that movie goes, the garments also washes away from the market. So such fashion is called as fad fashion. Next we'll jump to fad fashion. Now what is fad fashion? Now you can see that varieties of garments are available at varieties of prices in the market. Like a same t-shirt of a well-known brand is available at 2500 per t-shirt, and the same t-shirt is also available at 200. So that is called as fad fashion. When a famous style is copied in variety of prices and in variety of fabric qualities, it is termed as fad fashion. Next we come to classics. What is called as classic? There are some fashion which has been in the past, they are in present right now, and maybe in future as well they will be in the market. So such fashion are called as classic fashion. They are called as or termed as long-term fashion or long-run fashion. For example, the khaki pants or the khadi fabric or the sari of the Indian woman, these are called as classic fashion. It has been in the past, we have seen our elders wearing sari, and today also the sari is available in the market. Maybe the quality, the variety, the designing differs with time to time, but sari as a garment, as a fabric is always available in the market. So such fashions are called as classic fashion. Now I have talked about style. When a particular person, individual's taste is making him or her differentiate from others, it is termed as particular style. And at last we'll talk about design. Now a design is a specific version of a style. Suppose I have a plain t-shirt, but if I have a pocket on a t-shirt, then it becomes a particular design of that t-shirt. It is not a style. A t-shirt is a style, but when I apply a pocket or a collar on a t-shirt, then it becomes a design. So this is fashion theory. Thank you.